Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming no live voltage with a non-contact tester. Once done, position a stable ladder so you can reach the ceiling comfortably. This reduces strain and error. Remove the trim ring by depressing its retaining springs and pull the fixture slightly down to access the connector. Make sure to note wire locations. Disconnect the quick-fit connector or unscrew terminal block and set the housing aside while keeping screws and clips organized. Next, feed the supply cable through the housing grommet and tuck excess slack into the ceiling void so the can sits flush. Once aligned, fasten the housing with the original retaining screws or spring clips. This holds the can steady for electrical reconnection. Reconnect live to live, neutral to neutral, and earth to earth. Be deliberate and tactile, ensuring screws bite the conductor. After reconnecting, gently push the housing back into the aperture until springs engage and the rim sits tight. Now you insert the lamp or LED module, compressing the retention springs evenly so the trim locks without twisting. This prevents gaps and rattles. Restore power at the breaker and test the spotlight. Make sure it lights, doesn't flicker, and sits flush. If it fails to light or flickers, switch power off again and recheck terminal tightness, spring orientation, and the fixture's earth continuity. Loose wires and misseated clips are the usual culprits. Once stable, finish by snapping trim into final position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.